In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add my character to Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app in your desktop browser. Once the site loads, go into the image generation area so you can begin setting up your character reference. This is where you'll connect your uploaded character image to the prompts you want Leonardo to follow. From there, click on the image area, then look for the image icon with a plus symbol. This is the option that lets you add a visual reference to your generation. After selecting it, choose Image Reference. That tells Leonardo that you want the uploaded image to guide the final result, which is especially helpful when you want to keep a character's appearance more consistent. Next, click on your uploads and upload your image. Make sure you choose the character image you want Leonardo to use as the reference. A clear image usually works best, especially if the face, outfit, or overall design is important to the final result. Once your image is added, move over to the prompt box and type in your prompt. This is where you describe the scene, pose, style, lighting, or anything else you want the character to appear in. Try to be specific so Leonardo has both a strong visual reference and clear text instructions to work with. After that, choose a model. Different models can produce different styles or levels of realism, so pick the one that best matches the kind of image you want to create. Then choose your image dimensions. This controls the shape of the final image, so select the option that fits your goal, whether that's portrait, square, or something wider. Next, select the number of generations. This decides how many versions Leonardo will create in one go, which can be useful if you want a few options to compare. Finally, click Generate and let Leonardo create your images using your uploaded character as the reference.